So, we all know education can change society's trajectory by empowering women. And our topic is educational status of women in India. In this data visualization project, we are analyzing the data from all Indian state and United Union territories to examine women's education status. The main objective is to give an evidence-based recommendation to the government to promote women education. We have examined the enrollment of students in various educational level in India. The policy recommendations that aims to build the bridge between education gaps, improve quality, and support women's success in education. We are trying to influence the policy and aligning with the India's development and gender equality objective. The data collection and methodology are the dataset we have taken provide us the information about the gender-based student enrollment in different courses type within state and united territories. Here, the row are representing the each state and union territories, and the column are representing the educational level divided by male, female, and total. The education levels are primary, pre-primary to secondary, PGP diploma, diploma, and certificate. We are trying to analyze to aim to uncover patterns and gender related disparities in female enrollment compared to the males. Now for the visualization and analysis part.
Hello everyone. So to understand the visualization and analyze the data better, we made an attempt to make the visualization using Tableau and dig deeper into this problem. The first visualization talks about the enrollment of students all over India. And for this, we have used heat map. Size and intensity are the indicator of how much the enrollment of students in a particular union territory and state. As we can see from the graph, Uttar Pradesh stands out at it has the highest number of enrollments across all the education tracks all over India. The second visualization talks about number of enrollments in India, which are divided on the basis of different education tracks. As we can see, here we have used different colors to indicate different education tracks. The different education tracks are primary, pre-primary, pre-primary to higher secondary, PG diploma, diploma, and certificate level courses. From this, we can see that the number of enrollments are highest for pre-primary to higher secondary course. Next, enrollment of students across India divided on the basis of education tracks. Here we can see the top 5 states having highest enrollments. We wanted to study what is the nature of enrollment in those 5 states, top 5 states. The top 5 states are Bihar, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. We can see that pre-primary to higher secondary level education has the highest number of enrollments and it varies highly compared to the other courses. Now we have used KPI to understand which are the states that have more number of girl childs going to school level education compared to boys. Here we can see there are 3 states or union territories having more number of girl enrollment. To understand this difference better, we have used graph where the height of the bar graph shows the percentage difference between female and male enrollments. Positive side of the graph shows more number of female enrollments and the height of bar chart shows the percentage by which the difference is higher. The negative side shows by how much percent the number of male enrollments are more. This shows the disparity across union territories and states. We have done the same model to understand gender disparity at certification courses. Compared to school level, we can see there are more states and union territories having more number of female enrollments compared to male enrollments. To understand it better, we have used bar graph to show the percentage difference between male and female enrollments across states and union territories, where the graph shows by how much percent the difference is. One thing that is clear from these two bar graphs is that the disparity is more when it comes to certification level, and there are more states that are doing better in educating females. The disparity level is different for school level and certificate level courses. There is no correlation that if a certain state is doing better at school level, will do better at certification level also, and vice versa. This shows that there is disparity and it has no linkage when compared to school level and certification level. That's it from visualization. Now we will see the recommendation and conclusion.
Yeah, so the conclusion we are giving from each and every visualizations are through the combination of color gradients and square sizes. Visualization 1 indicates the vast difference in education student enrollment across regions, providing a clear picture of a state with both higher and lower education participation. Meanwhile, visualization 2 portrays the diversity of educational path, indicating the relevating popularity of courses at different educational levels. Further delving into specific states, visualization 3 tell us about the most sought after courses among students in the top 5 regions, revealing dominant educational trends. Focusing on gender dynamics, visualization 4 underscores states that with noteworthy differences in female enrollment, shedding lights on disparities in educational opportunities for girls. In totality, these visualizations unveil valuable insight into the educational landscape, empowering policymakers and educators to make informed decisions for a more equitable and balanced educational system across the nation. And the recommendation we are giving are: leverage the visually engaging infographics and maps to raise public awareness about the importance of women education and advocate for gender equality, encouraging broader societal support for the proposed policy changes. Collaborate with educational experts, NGO, and government officials to ensure the accuracy and relevance of data and recommendation, fostering a comprehensive approach to address women educational gaps. Based on the visualization, 8 states are having huge gender parities in enrollment and completion of certification courses. Government can develop targeted outreach initiatives to increase female enrollment during periods of low participation to reduce the disparities in enrollment based on gender. Thank you.